Today we will be looking at two AEG batteries for a Prophet e-bike. Prophet. And I've never seen them before, and I asked the customer where she got it, and yes, she got it from Germany. They've been unused for a while and now they won't turn on. January 2021, December 2020. And it has a very unique connector that I haven't seen before. Probably made for this specific battery. Probably a lit up on off switch that isn't working. And the charging connector is what we call a TVS adapter, because TWS was the first e-bike we saw it on, but it's actually a HP Dell connector used on laptops. And here we can also see it's actually a 3-pin connector, outside of the barrel, the inside of the barrel, and the little pin in the middle. And the pin in the middle is for communication, and that must be canbus since it's just one pin. So let's have a look at them. And the label screams Greenway. I've seen this date sticker on Greenway batteries. Let's see. 13 ampere hours. So 35E? No, it's 5P. So it must be 26 series. And then we have a blue BMS. That on-off switch is definitely lit up. It has 4 wires going to it, but just 2 for the charging. No, there is an additional yellow one here. So you must have an original charger for this. Most other e-bike batteries that use that adapter, they don't have any communication. And I've never seen this version before, so I don't even know if that's replaceable. And the discharging port has 3 wires, so all are connected. Looks like these are positive and negative, they are unmarked. Oh, the whole battery is down to 4 volts, so there's not much we can do. She can probably get new batteries cheaper. Of course, we could replace everything, but we need to keep the original electronics because I don't think Prophet is unlocked for generic batteries. We seldom see completely dead Greenway batteries. Then they're usually been standing for many years. And of course I haven't verified it's Greenway, but it's their stickers on the outside and their type of BMS. And it's also made in China, so it's not made by AEG. Herstället för, manufactured for, and made in China. Yeah, so definitely a Greenway battery. Yeah, let's have a quick look at the other one. And they haven't added any silicone or anything else. Are they using this as? Yes, they are. It's perfectly fitted for the case and is holding onto the pack. And they also have some rubber thingies in the holes. Not in this one though. But here we have rubber holding the back in place. That's pretty professional. Yeah, we don't see that too often. It's silicone or glue. Let's just do a deep dive here. About half the battery is 1.8 volts, so it's the same story for this one. It could be the on-off switch if you leave it in the on position and it draws power. I don't see any USB or Bluetooth module.